Good Thursday morning, everyone. We got the old D6 up here. It had a hole in it earlier this year in the radiator, and well, I filled it up with some fiber lock. And the hole was kind of up in this area. Let's see if I can get you in there a little better. So the hole was up in this area here somewhere. Well, as you can see, it's leaking down the bottom here. What you see right in there, right at the bottom. No, we can't have that. But I mean, the rest of it's pretty beat up. I don't know what I'm going to find when I tear into this. I know the belly pan's got to come off because it's just full of everything. So I'm going to unbolt the top up here and see if I can make eyeballs or assholes out of it. Bite. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. They're up here in the Northeast we call them tweeners because they're in between sizes. We get a lot of rusted bolts up here, so it's a big joke. Well, that's the perpetrator right there. Maybe. Alright, you guys get to watch me skin my knuckles. So let's get you a nice front row seat. Ooh, wants to turn. Guys, please leave me a comment if I'm using enough tongue. Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah, snap it right off. I don't know if I can... Looks like maybe I can slip this. Maybe I can slip this piece out from under here. Maybe. Let me give it a shot. I'm going to get a pry bar. Yep, good. Popped right up. I don't really know about much about cat dozers. I've had a case here and there, but I bought this because it was reasonably cheap and it was large. I was told this is a 1962 case, I'm sorry, Cat 6B. I don't know, the serial numbers here somewhere, but came with a parts machine, which is, if you look through the back window, it's out there. And I even had that one started up. And that one has a winch on it, but it is smoked, just damaged. Alright, let's get this thing off. Well, look at that, cast iron, sort of. Oh yeah, what's the chances that baby's just gonna pop right up? I guess I do have to take the hood off too. It looks inevitable. It looks like a piece of it right here is gonna come up under the hood. Whatever that is. I was under the impression these older ones had a more like a one-piece made unit, but I see bolts. So this has probably got like the fins slip in, or it's assembled or something, but it's probably rotted right to death. There's a radiator in the other one I'm going to take a look at. So put this down and explore this a little bit. I think maybe I can get that all off. Put this somewhere a little easier. Alright, let's see how that goes. Get you a little better angle on the task at hand here. Okay. Now they're going Come on, guys. side. Yeah, all the bolts are off. Let's have the unveiling. What do you think? Reach a little more in there. Yeah, how's that? I forgot one somewhere. Learn something new every day. There's a catch right there. That is pretty cool. Must be one on the other side, I'm sure. Twisting motion. That's what we're dealing with. Gross. That's pretty good size. Never really looked at the size of this engine, but I think this is a 333. That's the valve cover. That's my big friggin' hand. Yeah, there's a lot of motor there. Alright, let's get this thing fixed. Guess there's no overriding that. There it is. Okay. So it looks like, I mean, there's a upper radiator hose that has to be dealt with, and it looks like it's bolted right there, but I don't know if it just lifts up or what. I know the screen's got to come off for the fan and all that stuff. I guess I'll get started. You know, this is one of those projects where if you take it apart, fix the radiator, then you might as well replace the belt. Then you might as well replace the water. Alright, well, we're back at the magic radiator. We're taking off the clamps to the upper radiator hose. The bottom one is down in there. I'll get it from the other side. Get this guard off and just just yank the whole unit right out and see what we got going on. Alright, get on it. Because they never break when you want them to. That one. Let me imagine we disintegrate that right off. Doesn't get much easier than that right there. It just about come off in my hands. I'm just hand spinning it. You can see the bottom of it blown right out, but I can't tell if that's coming up from the bottom of the radiator or what. The best way to tell is probably just fill it up and see where it leaks. Yep, that's a screwdriver one. Alright.